Good afternoon, Vienna.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Binda Concepcion Tiseo Olinares, 27 years old, single, and from Cebu, Philippines.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want this job, ma'am, because I know I am qualified.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
To be honest, ma'am, I wanted to experience the culture.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I am mentally and physically fit, ma'am.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I finished 2 years in college, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
Work as a part-time tutor and also work as domestic helper, ma'am.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please, okay, in Kuwait, how many years you work for?
2 years, ma'am. I
Okay,
finished my contract.
do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
The son of my employer, ma'am.
Okay, how about elderly people?
Yes, ma'am, I have experience.
Whose elderly people you taking care of?
My grandparents.
Okay, do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what are your special skills?
Cooking, cleaning, and washing clothes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together? Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino and Arabic food, ma'am. Arab food.
Okay, are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Cleaning and cooking, ma'am.
Okay, how much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit, ma'am.
Okay, what is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
No cell phone, no day off, ma'am.
Okay, how many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, and patient, ma'am.
Okay, how can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I do my best, ma'am, to comply the contract that I agreed, the responsibility that I agreed.
Okay, can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?